Today we're going to talk about maguey and agave, the beautiful plant that's used today to make tequila. Well, agave goes all the way back to our indigenous and Aztec ancestry. It was named for the goddess Mehul, and it represented long life and health and dancing and fertility. And it was used for medicine, and it was used for rope, and it was used to make clothes and thatched roofs. So it was very, very sacred to our indigenous people. They also used the goddess to ask for wind and rain and crops. It was used in religious ceremonies. So indigenous people made pulque with it, which was a fermented drink. But remember, our ancestors used everything correctly and didn't overdrink or do things that weren't healthy for them with the sacred maguey. Now, blue maguey is only grown in Jalisco, Mexico. And when the conquistadors came, they took the pulque and began to ferment it into tequila back in the 16th century. So it has been with us a very long time. Tonight, we welcome a special guest that's going to show us how to take this wonderful agave, which is now tequila, and make it into margaritas, which, by the way, are America's favorite drink. But remember, always drink responsibly. Hola mi gente, it's Tia Juana. Thank you for following me. Now we're going to start the celebration at the end of the month, and I want to introduce my friend Josh. He's a certified bartender who's going to show us how to make margaritas. And now that you know all about tequila and the sacred agave of our indigenous ancestors, it's going to be even more exciting. Okay, the first thing you have to have for margaritas is limon. And we have our beautiful glasses ready with salt on one side and a fresh lime. And now Josh is squeezing a half a lime in each glass because you want to have that fresh limon to give it that Latino flavor. Ahora, we need tequila. And Josh is going to put 1.5 ounces of tequila in each glass, 1.5 ounces of triple sec, which is also an orange liqueur. I have never used this. It's a sweet and sour with a little limon in it. So it's going to be a great margarita. Two things that are really good for margaritas is this lime squeezer and, of course, to put salt on your glass. Now, Josh, let's shake those margaritas. Shake, shake, shake. Happy, happy, happy Hispanic Heritage Month.